Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Chrome is current so the extension runs smoothly. Once done, open the Chrome Web Store, search for BuyHatke and click Add to Chrome. Accept requested permissions. Make sure to pin the extension to your toolbar so it's accessible while shopping. This initial setup reduces friction and prevents permission prompts later. After installation, open any retail site to see the extension icon activate. This confirms the extension is ready to capture offers and compare prices automatically. Now you configure features that matter. Sign in to link your activity and receive tailored deals or create a free account. This enables price history and alerts. Then enable specific notifications, price drop alerts, coupon suggestions, and exchange offers so you aren't overwhelmed with irrelevant pings. Next, choose preferred retailers and adjust notification frequency in settings to balance updates and noise. These steps tune the extension's behavior to your shopping patterns and ensure it surfaces only useful savings at checkout. When you browse products, click the BuyHatke icon to instantly see price comparisons, historical pricing, and relevant coupons. This helps you decide whether to buy now or wait. Apply suggested coupons and follow the extension's checkout steps to ensure discounts and cashback are applied correctly. If prices seem off or coupons fail, first refresh the page and retry. If the icon remains inactive, make sure the extension is enabled and permissions remain granted. Contact support from the extension menu only if problems persist after these checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.